Yeah, the yacht.
You are good for sticking this out, people. You know, you are kind. Name is Martin Farrell Jones. Nathan Farrell Jones. Nathan Farrell Jones. So I just rechristened him. Only known him for about 20 years, that's all. Nathan Farrell Jones. Yak 55M it is. DA, there's an aircraft engine in it then. And it's a 170.
Yep.
Value of this aeroplane, all up, complete with everything in it, ready to rock and roll, £6,000. Knife edge pass, Mr. Smoke. Like this. There. Is that something else? I don't think we've ever had this wind right down the runway like this ever, have we, Ken? I don't remember it. Phil? Never seen the wind down the runway like this for years. Over now, watch this over. It goes up like that, does the turn over like that, points it down vertically and straight underneath that big rolls.
Missed that.
He makes it look so easy, this chap, he really does. Sponsored by... Is he sponsored by El's Hobbies? Slow roll, Nathan Farrell Jones. Over lander now. Goes to lane rack Roger.
She just sang Overland and Arsenal saying he's sponsored by him.
Prosper will watch the smoke.
Actually, he's not yet.
Sorry, aircraft people. Big twisting there. 8-sided loop, like this. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Jesus.
Clever, eh? And he can't do that outside. Pretty odd. Oh, that's pretty. Lovely stuff. Clever, isn't he? British, you see.
Yeah.
Another launch back ready. Let's see if I can catch it this time without sneezing. I bet he can't do a tail slide.
Shut up.
Betcha. Takes a real man to do a tail slide. Look, as he turns it around like this, and off goes the smoke, see? Not only is he holding the aeroplane vertical, but he's also pouring the smoke out. Isn't that brilliant? He skews it off like that too, look at that. Can't believe he can do that. Camera pass. Down for his tail flop landing, like this. Before throttle, lots of rudder. There goes going the ground, but it doesn't do it on this fella. This comes from North Wales, don't you see? Oh, look at him. Fuck. What up? Landing now. Go with a full equal score of flying. It's on the long right hand side and give you all the information from sitting by the Cougar. Ladies and gentlemen and children, makes a perfect landing for the Yak 55 Nathan Farrell Jones. Thank you very much, Nathan.